Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 1 of mensuration lesson. It's a worksheet 1. Now coming to the 11th sum. The lengths of the parallel sides of the trapezium are in the ratio of 4:7. See, when the sides are given in the ratio 4:7, that means you have to take it as 4x meter. It is in meter. So, 4x meter and this as 7x meter. Ratio means you have to just add that. Add means you have to put x with the number 4x and 7x. If the height is a 14 meter and the area is 385 square meter, find the lengths of the parallel sides. So first find out x and then the parallel sides. That's all. Same like earlier, the bigger than, lesser than, that type of sums were there, same types. Find out x and then the sides. So first solution is equal to trapezium, that is a shape is trapezium. Now area is given, it is a 385 square meter. Now height is also given, isn't it? Height is 14 meter. A is a 4x meter. B is 7x meter. So find A is equal to how much? B is equal to how much? Write area of trapezium is equal to formula half into A plus B into height. Area is 385, then half into A is 4x plus 7x into height is 14. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So 7 you take it to the other side, 7 and 4x plus 7x, 7, 10, 11x. 7 ones are 7, 5s are 35, 3 remains, 7 5s are 35. 55 is equal to 11x. So x is equal to 55 by 11. 11 ones are 11 5s are. X is equal to 5. We got x is equal to 5. Now find out A is equal to 4x is equal to 4 into 5, that is 20 meter. Then B is equal to 7x, 7 into 5, that is 35 meter. So the answer, the length of the parallel sides is 20 meter and 35 meter. Hope it is easy. All students understood, isn't it? Now coming to the last sum. It is the 12th sum. Here the perimeter is given. Perimeter of the trapezium is 104 meter. So solution, the shape is trapezium. First you will write perimeter is equal to 104 meter and non-parallel sides. They didn't give the parallel sides. Parallel sides is A and B, but they have given non-parallel sides to be 18 meter and 22 meter. Don't put A is 18 and B 22. Please, it is non-parallel sides. Understand? And altitude is 16 meter. Find the area of the trapezium. So perimeter. Perimeter means what? The sum of all the sides. They have given AD is equal to 18 meter. BC is equal to 22 meter. Then H is equal to 16 meter. They have asked you to find out area. Okay. So first we have to find out the two parallel sides. A and B, it's not given. Find out that. How? Perimeter is equal to sum of the sides, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, isn't it? So if you take AB as A meter and CD as B meter, you don't know. So AB is equal to A, BC is equal to 22, CD is B, and AD is 18. A plus B plus 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4. Now perimeter, how much is given? 104. Now we will be getting A plus B. समझ में आ गए? नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स दिया है, पैरेलल साइड्स नहीं दिए हैं, तो you will get the sum of the parallel sides by using the perimeter. So A plus B is equal to 104 minus 40. So A plus B is equal to 4 minus 0, 4. 10 minus 4 is 6 meter. So you got A plus B. Now find out area of trapezium. Earlier also in one sum they had given the sum of the parallel sides, like that. Area of trapezium half into A plus B into height. That is half into A plus B, you got 64, height is 16. So 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, 8 4s are 32, 8 6s are 48, 49, 50, 51 square meter. Hope everyone understood. When they have not given the parallel sides, this is A meter. A meter, this is B meter. The non-parallel sides are given 18 and 22. Perimeter is given, so perimeter का मतलब sum of all sides. So AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So A plus 22 plus B plus 18 is equal to 104. So you get A plus B. By calculating you got 64. Put A plus B in the formula and then find out area. Answer: area of the given trapezium is 512 square meter or 512 meter square. You can write in both the ways. So we have completed the trapezium topic. What is the formula? Area of the trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into height. Different types of sums are there. Sometimes area is given, H you have to find out, or one of the sides you have to find out, or sometimes one side is greater than the other, one side is lesser than the other, or sometimes it is in ratio it is given. And in one of the sum they have not given the height, so they have given the non-parallel sides equal, so that the lengthier sum, isn't it? And in the last one they had given the non-parallel sides are given and the perimeter is given. So how to find out the area? Hope all students are confident with all the sums of a trapezium. Please repeat the sums 2 or 3 times. Then you will be confident. And take care with the calculations. Bye. Thank you. All the best.